On your smart panel, you have access to pre-downloaded applications, but you also will have the ability to navigate to the App Store to download additional applications. To find your apps on your panel, navigate to your home screen and tap on the Apps circle at the bottom of your home screen. This will then open up your apps library. To be able to launch an application, tap on the tile to go ahead and launch that application. If you would like to explore additional applications to add to your library, tap on the App Store in the upper left-hand corner. This will then bring you to Smart's App Store, where you will find a library of free applications to download. While all applications are free to download, you may find some that require a subscription to access premium content. When you tap on an application, you'll receive some screenshots and a description of what that application will look like on your panel. To be able to install an application on your panel, tap on the application and then choose Install. This will then download the application. Once it has been downloaded, you'll have a screen to confirm that you would like to install the application to your panel. Once your install screen has appeared, go ahead and tap Install in the lower right-hand corner. This will then install and add this application to your apps library. To locate the apps that you've downloaded, navigate to your apps library by tapping on the apps icon. If you would like to add an app to your favorite zone, to pin it so that you have easier access to your application directly from your home screen, you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner, you have a star icon. Go ahead and tap on that star icon to fill it in green, so that now when you navigate back home, you'll see that app is now available directly in your favorite zone. If you'd like to unpin an app from your favorite zone, do a long press hold and tap on the X icon to go ahead and remove it from your favorite zone. This does not delete the app from your panel. Instead, it will just remove it from your favorite zone. To be able to delete an application, come back to your apps library and do a long press hold on that application so that it is then highlighted in blue. In the upper left-hand corner, finally tap on Delete and confirm that you would like to delete that application. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach the professional development team at pd@bloom.com.